Welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to use ClickUp for task management. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use ClickUp for task management, you just simply have to open any of the browser that you use, and after opening the browser, just simply search for Manage Task with ClickUp. Then after searching this option will appear into here. Just simply tap into this ClickUp TM Task Management. Then after that, click to this Get Started Free option and enter your email address. Then click to Next. And after logging in, this page of space will appear. Now into here, you just simply have to select List. And into this list section, you can easily manage any of the older existing tasks, or you can create a new task into here. First of all, you have to enter a name for your task. Then after entering the name and creating this, just simply click into this task and open it. You just simply have to select the status for this task. There are 3 status that are available, and then you can assign people for this task from here. Just simply assign the people that you want to include in this task, then enter a date this task. Then after that, add a description, which can be done by using the AI of ClickUp. Then after doing this, you can also add subtasks and action items into here, which includes checklist and assigned comments into here. And then save the task into your ClickUp. By following this very easy step, you can easily manage tasks into your ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.